Hey guys, are you aware that all over the globe, all over the entire globe, CPS, family court, is violating rights? So I'm here and I keep talking about the rights that you have that don't go away just because you entered a family court, just because you're family court involved, just because CPS comes knocking on your door and you get before a judge and they've already violated your rights because they make haphazard decisions, irresponsible decisions. I've been doing this for close to 16 years now. And when I tell you your rights don't go away, your rights don't go away just because they've spent decades violating them. You see, there's an army rising up. And I've been exposing this for many years, and I've tied it to the child trafficking industry because that is exactly the gateway door. Check out my TikTok and you'll see there's a 3-part video where I speak before the New York State Assembly and I use their own statistics against them. Can't deny that. So I've done this as well in briefings before Congress, in front of all of our Congress members on the left and the right and anywhere in between. Just because they've been violating your rights for all these years doesn't mean that we have to sit down and take it. That's my whole point. I am trying to empower you. And when we come together in massive numbers, in which we are much larger than the elite. Much larger. Matter of fact, I don't know what your faith is, but the Bible says, let the elite say so. What does that mean? There's a bigger elite than there is of the corrupt elite in this country. And we have a lot more authority than they want you to know. You see, we, the people, we're their boss. We're their boss, not the other way around. We pay their salary, even though they rob us blind. We tell them what they can and can't do. When they don't vote, when they don't go by our voting in, which we know that's been a disaster, it's called treason. Titles 18, sections 241 and 242. If you don't know who I am, I'm Francesca Amato. I'm a national expert, domestic violence, child abuse, and Americans with Disability Act forensic expert. I do this all over the country, and I've court-watched judges all over the country. I expose judges, CPS workers, bar members, politicians, law enforcement, and I empower you to be able to hold your ground. We go into courts as non-attorneys, non-certified bar members, advocates with extensive backgrounds. We go in, we invoke rights, and it holds. Why? Why are we more successful than most attorneys? Because they're lying to you.